Hi friends, welcome to AWS Devops sessions. In this session, we are going to learn about the tags concept in Ansible. So here you just need to understand what do you mean by tags and where we are going to use this tags concept in Ansible. Okay, here generally the purpose of tags is in order to organize the tasks. Assume you have the playbook. By executing the playbook, whatever the task which I had written inside of the playbook, it will be executed sequentially on the targeted servers. But here the scenario is, if I execute the playbook, automatically whatever the task which I had written inside of the playbook, it will automatically executed on all the targeted servers. But here my requirement is different. Instead of running all the tasks, I just want to run only specific tasks which are required as per my requirement. Here, if I execute the playbook, automatically it is going to execute all the tasks. But I don't want to execute all the tasks. My requirement is so clear. I just want to run the task which is required as per my requirement or in order to perform specific task. How that will be achieved? So here the tags comes into picture. With the help of the tags, I can be able to perform the specific task instead of running all the tasks. How that will be done? Everything we are going to see in the practical session. I am going to show now to you. Here I am just logging into the AWS console. Right now I have 3 EC2 servers are running. One is Ansible server and the remaining 2 servers are the client servers. Means from Ansible server I can be able to orchestrate these 2 servers. One is dev server and the second one is test server. Here with the help of SSH client, that is nothing but mobile external, I can be able to connect to these 3 missions. One is Ansible server, the first tab is, and the second tab is dev server, and the third tab is test server. Okay, yeah. Here I am going to show now to you one YAML script. Here in every playbook you have the 3 components are there. If variable declaration is optional, if you have the requirement, you can use the variable declaration. But first thing is target session. Means here I just need to mention on which host I need to execute this task. Here I am going to mention all. In all the servers which are connected under the Ansible server, I am going to execute on all the servers. So that's why I am going to mention all. Here if I want to execute the things, I just need to log in as a root user. So that's why here I just mentioned the become yes, means the root user permission has been enabled. Here I am going to mention the tasks. The target session is done. Variable session is not required. The further thing is task session. In the task section, I am going to mention all the packages. Here, the first thing, the first task is it is going to install the tree package. The second task is it is going to install the HTTPD package. And the third statement is nothing but task. It is going to install the Git package. And the fourth, it is going to install the Java-1.80 JDK version on the target server. And the fifth task is it is going to install the Docker on the target environment. Okay. Simply I am going to log on into the Ansible server. Here just tell ll. Right now I have one file, Sunil file. I am going to create one master.yml. This is nothing but playbook. Enter. And if I want to enter anything into the file, I just need to enter into the insert mode. Just press I. And here copy all the script. Here enter. Simply. Okay. Suppose without doing any modification, if I execute this playbook, what it will doing? It is going to install the all these 5 packages on the target environment. But here my scenario is different. I just want to only install the HTTPD service on the target environment. How? By executing the playbook, how I will be able to install only HTTPD package on the target server. Here the tags comes into picture. How I can be able to make the tags? Just please have a look. Here for everything I am going to mention one tag. Okay, enter. Come side and here enter. It is going to insert mode now. uh, tags. No, come here. Tags A. I'm going to allocate. If I execute the tag A, it is going to execute to install the tree package on the target environment. At the same time, if I am going to execute the tags here, okay, tags B. If I am going to execute the tag B, it is going to install which package? HTTPD package. Here, tag C. If I am going to execute the C tag, it is going to install the Git package. And tags 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 D. And come here, come down, and the last one TAGS tags, it is E. Okay, here in the Git package I just mentioned tag instead of tags, so I'm going to do modification. Fine. Here, fine, just please have a look on it. By executing the tag A, the tag A has been allocated to install the tree package. Tag B has been allocated to install the HTTPD package. Tag C has been allocated to install the Git package. Tag D has been allocated to install the Java package. Tag E has been allocated to the package to install Docker. Simply press escape and simply WQ. It is going to save your file. Fine. Here I am going to execute playbook Ansible hyphen playbook. What is the YAML file I have? Master.yml file. Here the tags comes into picture. Hyphen tags A. Which tag I am going to use? A. If I execute the A tag, just let us see what it is going to done. It is going to install tree package. Okay, suppose okay, I am going to install the B tag. Just check whether which it has been executed. Okay, there is somewhat delay. Maybe that may be internet issue. Just please bear with me. I am going to execute the B tag. Just let us check what it is going to install. It is going to install HTTPD package. Even though I had executed the playbook, it is going to install the tag which is allocated. Means based on the tag, it is going to install that particular package. Here, I am not going to disturb anything. By mentioning simply tag, it is going to install the specific task over the targeted server. This is what we are going to use the tags concept in Ansible. Hope you guys understood about the tags concept in Ansible. And at the same time, here I have one query. Can I execute multiple tags? Means I have the n number of tags. But if I want to execute the multiple tags at a time, can I be able to do that? Yes, obviously you can be able to run the multiple tags at a time. Just check whether I can be able to do that or not. Here I am going to execute C, comma D. Just check whether it will be executed or not. Yes, it is going to execute. It is going to execute the tag C is Git and tag D is in order to it is used to install the Java. And at the same time, I just want to skip the tags. Means except the A tag, except tree package, I just want to install all the other packages on the desired environment. Here that will also be possible. Here I am going to mention ml hyphen skip hyphen tags. Here I just want to mention a. Here what it is going to done, it is ignoring the a tag. By excluding the a tag, it is going to all the further tags, means it is going to execute b c d e except a. It is going to install all the required packages. Enter. Please have a look on it. It is going to start from httpd. It had skipped the tree package installation that has been associated with a tag. Had you look at it? In this way, we can be able to use the tags concept in Ansible. I hope it makes some clearful picture about where we are going to use the tags concept in Ansible. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. And at the same time, please subscribe my channel, and at the same time hit the bell icon as well, in order to receive the latest updates whenever I had uploaded any new content in YouTube. And at the same time, do not forget to share this channel information with your friends, and that will be really helpful for them in order to enhance their skills over the cloud technologies, at the same time DevOps. Thank you so much for joining into my sessions, and I will get back to you with the new topic in the coming session. Until signing off, thank you, bye bye.